Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding fonts to Figma. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the entire process while explaining each step in clear detail, so that even if you are new to Figma, you can follow along with ease. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Figma website. Once you have loaded the site, look towards the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Select this option to start the login process. After clicking on the login section, you will see multiple options to sign in. For this tutorial, we recommend clicking the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. This choice simplifies your sign-in process because it uses your existing account credentials, ensuring a smooth transition into Figma. When you click the Continue with Google button, a prompt will appear allowing you to select which Google account you want to use. Simply choose the account associated with the projects you are working on and proceed by following the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication process. Once logged in, you will need to download the necessary resources to add fonts to Figma. To do this, navigate to the download page on Figma. While browsing through the site, locate the section that offers downloads. On this page you will find a variety of options, but focus on the Windows installer, which includes the font installer. Selecting the installer initiates the download process on your computer. After downloading, run the installer application and follow the prompts to install the font installer on your Windows machine. Completing the installation ensures that the fonts you add later will properly sync with your Figma account. After the font installer is now ready on your system, the next step is to add a font to your computer. This part of the guide assumes you have already selected the font you wish to use. Go ahead and install the chosen font on your computer by following your operating system's standard installation procedure. Once the font is added to your machine, open your Figma project. If you already have a project open, navigate to it now so that you can test and view your new font integration. Within your project, locate a text element where you desire your newly installed font to appear. Click on the text box and examine the font properties panel. What you will notice is that the font list has been updated to include the new fonts that were installed on your computer. This is because the font installer that you downloaded and installed earlier is designed to sync your computer's fonts with your Figma projects. This integration allows for a wider range of typography in your creative designs and ensures consistency between your design mockups and the final output. By following these steps, you have successfully added a new font to Figma and verified that it is available for use within your project. Enjoy the benefits of a more versatile design toolkit and have fun experimenting with different font styles in your upcoming projects.